Class 9th Geography, Chapter Rocks and Rock Cycle. Let's begin with the chapter. Our planet Earth consists of all the three main states of matter: atmosphere in gaseous, hydrosphere in liquid, and lithosphere in solid state. Litho in Latin means rock or stone. Thus, lithosphere can be called as rock sphere. Lithosphere forms the outer crust of the earth, on which our continents and ocean basins rest. Difference between rocks and minerals. Rocks are not composed of a single element or a mineral. It is often composed of mixture of various elements of several minerals. Thus, a rock can be defined as an aggregate of minerals that forms a more or less definite unit of the Earth's crust. Thus, all Earth materials consist of rocks and minerals. A mineral has a definite chemical composition with its own chemical and physical properties. It generally has a crystalline form. Silicates and quartz are the common examples of minerals. The continental parts of the Earth's crust are composed of three main types of rocks according to their origin. These three main types of rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Today we will study about igneous rocks. All these vary in their origin, occurrence, and physical composition. Formation of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are also known as primary rocks, solidified from rock material in a hot molten state known as magma. Magma is molten rock material consisting of liquid, gas, and crystals. Types of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are classified on the basis of texture of grains, chemical composition, and mode of origin. On the basis of silica present, the igneous rocks are classified as acid igneous rocks, which have more silica, example granite, and basic igneous rocks, which have lower quantities of silica, example gabbro. On the basis of occurrence, igneous rocks are divided into intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. Magma that solidifies below the Earth's surface and remains surrounded by pre-existing rock is called intrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks are divided into plutonic and hypoglycal rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks. Rocks formed by solidification of magma above the Earth's surface are called extrusive igneous rocks. On the basis of nature of lava, extrusive igneous rocks are divided into two types: explosive type and quiet type. Characteristics of igneous rocks. These rocks are solidified from molten magma. They usually do not occur in distinct beds or strata. They are not fossiliferous. They are generally hard and water percolates in them with great difficulty. They are granular and crystalline. They are generally weathered by mechanical weathering. Most of the igneous rocks consist of silicate. The valuable minerals like iron ore, gold, silver, zinc, lead, aluminium, manganese, mica are generally found in igneous rocks. Here ends the first part of this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video.